Alright, let's talk points. More specifically, Commbank Awards points. You've been racking them up. Maybe you're eyeing that next flight or that fancy gadget. But have you ever wondered, do these points actually expire? I mean, it's a fair question, right? Points, rewards, loyalty programs, it's a whole world of its own, and sometimes the rules can be as clear as mud. So, let's dive in and clear the air on this one. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's Commbank, they probably have some sneaky clause about points expiring. Well, hold your horses. Let's break it down. First things first, Commbank Awards points, in and of themselves, do not expire. That's right, you heard me. As long as your account is open and in good standing, those points are yours to keep. So, you can collect them, hoard them, dream about that tropical getaway, it's all good. But, and there's always a but, there's a slight twist. If you decide to close your Commbank account, well, that's a different story. You'll have a grace period of 3 months to use up those hard-earned points. After that, poof. They're gone. So, if you're planning a major point splurge, maybe don't close your account just yet. Now, let's talk about something else that might confuse you, points capping. This isn't about expiration, but it does limit how many points you can earn in a year. It's like a speed limit for your points. But don't stress, this cap only applies to credit card points, not the ones you earn from other Commbank products. And even then, the cap is pretty high, so unless you're spending tens of thousands of dollars a month, you're probably not going to hit it. So, to recap, Commbank Awards points themselves don't expire as long as your account is open. However, you have 3 months to use them if you close your account. And there's a points cap for credit card points, but it's unlikely to affect most people. There you have it. The lowdown on Commbank Awards points. No more wondering, no more stressing. You now have the knowledge to maximize your points and enjoy the rewards. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.